Estival. Harry, do you have Donnie, do you have your channel? Do you have Facebook, Steven? What is your content, Steven? What was your Steven? What was your okay. Steven Martone 739. Steven 8739. Okay, I saw it. But you don't have any videos. Why? You don't have any videos? Why? Why you don't have your social media outlets? Yeah, you don't have any videos in your channel. I found you, but you don't have any videos in your channel. You're hiding something, You're hiding something, Okay. Thank you for joining. Uh, you can private message me if you want. Joke, I'm just joking. You can private message me in my messenger. You better create a messenger so that we can exchange chat. We can chat. What is your channel, Donnie? Steven, I am a retired teacher. I am a retired teacher for 31 years and promoted as head teacher for 9 years. And I have I I retired at the age of 63. Okay, how about you?